Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create these beautiful waves on Dress to Impress. It's been my favorite hair so far on this app. On this game, you do kind of have to use a few different hairs and some adjustments as well. It's going to go to the VIP section so it's not too crowded. All right, so the first hair you're going to want to use is this one. You can use any color that you want. I'm just going to use this one. For this hair, you're going to position the Y to 0.48, the Z to 63, and you're going to scale it up to 0.58. Then you are going to need this hair. Where is it? It's like the one with it's this one. And you're just going to leave the adjustments as is. Then you're going to go to the wavy section, grab this hair in the same color, of course. And for the X position, X 0.53. I don't know why I said Y. And then for the Y position, 0.4, Z 0.51. Rotate the X to 0.53, and you're going to scale it to 0.52. Then you are going to grab this hair. It's like this side part hair, and you're going to color it the same. For this one, you are going to have the X position at 0.46. Whoops, that's 36. The Z at 0.48. And then you're going to rotate the X to 0.52, Y to 0.45, and Z to 0.53. You're then going to scale it to 0.39. Okay, let me readjust this one. I don't know why it's not giving. Hold on. I feel like I have everything correct. Okay, I'm just going to bring it up just a little bit so it looks like this. It should look something like this. I have it saved. But yeah, it should look something like this. I don't know why it looked like that. Let me see again these adjustments. Okay, 0.50. Oh wait, it is right. Okay, so here are the adjustments for this one, and then for this hair, it's this. I don't know what I did wrong, but these are just my adjustments. But that's how you can create this super cute wavy hair. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.